What's the meaning of brownish? Brownish. Brownish.
Brownish. Brownish. Brownish refers to a color that is somewhat brown in appearance, but may also contain hints of other colors. This can be seen as a mix of brown with other colors such as orange, yellow, or green. A brownish color can often be difficult to describe accurately due to its subtle variations and the way it changes under different lighting conditions. It can be warm and earthy, conveying a sense of stability and reliability, or it can be dull and drab, lacking vibrancy and energy. Overall, brownish can be used to describe a wide range of shades that fall somewhere between brown and other colors, and can be utilized for both practical and aesthetic purposes.